Breaking news, Nigerians. This is really shocking. No. David Hundeyin said TINUBU has asked Sanwo to set aside 100 billion naira to bribe Supreme Court justice on Friday. Nigerians. David Hundeyin, an investigative journalist, has alleged that the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu has tasked the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo to raise a total of 100 billion naira for him to bribe the Supreme Court justice on Friday. Nigerians, for how long are we going to continue like this? Welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. David Hundeyin, an investigative journalist, has alleged that the President-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu has tasked the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo to raise a total of 100 billion naira for him to bribe the Supreme Court justice on Friday. The Supreme Court on Monday had fixed May 26 for the judgment on the alleged double nomination of Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima filed by the People's Democratic Party (PDP). The judgment, slated 3 days before the presidential inauguration, would determine whether Mr. Shettima would be sworn in as the vice president or if his candidacy will be truncated. If affirmed, Mr. Shettima's disqualification could truncate the swearing-in of Bola Tinubu as president since they ran a joint ticket. Following these developments, David Hundeyin tweeted that he has it on good information that Tinubu is set to bribe the Supreme Court justice and is also leaning on President Muhammadu Buhari to declare Friday a public holiday in a bid to stop the judgment. In his words, information reaching me now from an insider is that official BAT is trying to lean on President Muhammadu Buhari to declare a public holiday on Friday 26th May, which is the date the Supreme Court is supposed to deliver the judgment that could disqualify him. He has also tasked the Lagos State Governor Sanwo and his money lender in chief Gilbert to raise a total of 100 billion naira with which to approach the Supreme Court justice. The People's Gazette publication said a senior lawyer, Joe Agim, told the court on Monday that the All Progressive Congress (APC) had earlier admitted Mr. Shettima's double nomination at the appellate court, but the APC denied the allegation. Mr. Agim, citing a case involving Uche Nwosu against ADP as precedent, ascertained that his respondent did not deserve to speak, let alone make any argument over the alleged double nomination. There is a punishment for double nomination. They ought not to be heard, Mr. Agim told the highest court on Monday. It should never happen in this country. But the APC lawyer, Palula, rebuked his colleague, saying the motion did not hold water as the Federal High Court has ruled that PDP had no locus standi to bring up the matter, a judgment that was later upheld by the Court of Appeal. He further said the matter, being a pre-election matter, had exceeded the time in which it could be challenged, saying it was too late for the PDP to raise the matter at the Supreme Court after 180 days. This matter has long expired, well over 200 days, ascertained Mr. Popola, hitting it was a pre-election matter. Nigerians. Nigerians, there is fire on the mountain. No. There is fire on the mountain. That is the truth. There is real fire on the mountain. Well, let's see how things goes on Friday will be the day Nigerians will be waiting and watching how the court will go about this case. Honestly speaking, like what they said, this thing happened in Imo State. Uche Nwosu was disqualified because of double nomination. It is not good though, make you do another person judgment. Then you go reach the other one, you go come dey speak English. Do Mr. A the way you do Mr. B, so that there will be peace in Nigeria. If Shettima double nomination is against the constitution, good, let it face it. You understand? Because other persons have faced the dance and they not die. So let's be truthful in what we are doing. Nigerian judiciary, the lives of Nigerians, they are in your hands. So Nigerians are looking up to you now, because they are not like people who are lost, no hope. Now Leuna be the hope now when they get. So if una can't disappoint Nigerians now, the matter go come get a CB. So guys, what's your take on this? David Hundeyin, an investigative journalist, has alleged that the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu has tasked the Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo to raise a total of 100 billion naira for him to bribe the Supreme Court justice on Friday. The Supreme Court on Monday had fixed Monday 26th for the judgment on the alleged double nomination of the Vice President-elect Kashim Shettima, filed by the People's Democratic Party, PDP. The judgment, slated 3 days before the presidential inauguration, will determine whether Mr. Shettima will be sworn in as the vice president or if his candidacy will be truncated. If affirms, Mr. Shettima's disqualification could truncate the swearing in of Bola Tinubu as president, since they ran a joint ticket. So guys, I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you for this coming out here. Bye for now.